Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Nokia 3310 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to change the phone language. So it is about changing the language of the phone. So first of all, you have to go into the menu by pressing the middle button. So I press the middle button, I go into the menu, and then I scroll down. Okay, and then you see this icon of settings. So this is the settings icon. Okay, so just choose it by pressing the middle button. Okay, so once you go into the settings, then you have to scroll down. Okay, and then you will see the option of phone settings. Okay, so this is the phone settings option. So I will tell you from the beginning. And so the first option is about connectivity. So this is the first option. The second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So phone setting is the eighth option. Okay, so just select it. Okay, so once you select it, you will see the very first option in the phone settings is phone language. So just select it. Okay, so once you select it, there have you have different languages option available over here. Okay, so for example, I select this language. Okay, so if you want to select English, whatever language you want, you can just bring your selection to that language. So for example, I select this language, then I press this middle button again. Okay, so now the language has been selected. Okay, so now this is the new phone language, as you can see over here. Okay, so now for example, if you by mistake set a language that you don't know, and you want to know how to change that language, and you don't know the current language, so it is very difficult sometime to change that specific language. So simply just remember these steps. First, press the middle button for the menu. Okay, and then just search for this icon, which is the settings icon. Okay, okay, once you select it, and then here, as you don't know the language, just go for number 8 option. So just scroll down. So this is the second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 8th option, right? So just select it. Okay, by pressing the middle button, and after the 8th selection, once you enter into the 8th selection, the very first option is about the phone language option. So it is very simple, just press the middle button, and here it will bring you to the languages option. So here simply you can select any language you want. So for example, I want English, so I just press it. Okay, and then press the middle button. So now you can see it is done now. So my phone language, you can see, is changed. So now it is very easy for me to access all my settings, all my phone options, all my phone features. So I can easily access because I know this language. Okay, so this is how you can change the phone language. Just remember these steps. Just go to the menu, search for this settings icon. Okay, once you enter into the setting, go down to number 8 option. Okay, which is phone settings, and once you enter into the phone setting, the very first option is the phone language option, and from here you have all the languages option available in your phone, so you can select any language. Okay, and once you select it, just press this done button, and then you are done. Your language is changed now, and then you can easily access all your phone features. So this is how you can change the language in Nokia 3310 mobile phone, guys. So please do like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.